What's up, guys? My name's Caesar Beavers, and today I'm going to show you how to erase the background out of an image on Procreate using the iPad Pro. And it's kind of a more difficult image because it has hair and stuff on it. And I know that may be hard to do, but we're going to show you how to avoid that. Let's get started. All right, first import your image into the program. And I'm going to hit the eraser. And for the eraser, I'm going to use the soft airbrush. And I'm going to change the background layer to orange so I don't get it mixed up, so I know that I'm erasing what I need to erase. And we're just going to erase all the way around the image so there's no white left. And yeah, we're going to erase the strands of hair, but we're going to go back later and put those back. We're gonna put the image back into it on a different layer, and we're gonna draw the hair back and make it look like it never left. It really isn't that hard to recreate the hair. If you guys want to go ahead, and if you like this kind of content, please make sure to subscribe. If you want to go ahead and hit subscribe, I would really appreciate that. And if you have any questions, please drop them below and I will answer them the best I can. I may even make a video about the topic, about the question that you have. So if you can see, I'm going all the way around the image with the soft airbrush. Now I'm going to hit select and I'm going to go all the way around the image. And we're going to hit cut and paste once I go all the way around it. So erase around it. And then hit select and go around it. Okay. Swipe 3 fingers down, cut and paste, and then delete the excess. Now I'm going to insert the old photo again, and we're going to put it on the layer up under. We're going to turn the opacity down. And the background's orange so you can see what I want. So duplicate the layer that the dog is on, because we're going to use that one. And we're going to get the smudge tool and we're going to use the hairbrush. And we're just going to keep swiping. And it's using the same colors because we're smudging the dog image up under it. It'll look just about the same because we're following the guidelines of the image up under it and using the image of the dog to smudge with the hairbrush. It'll look about the same as it did before. And it'll be real crispy of a PNG. This particular image, I'm cutting it out to use on a package design for a company called Treatables. It's a real reputable company. They were the world's first pet CBD product. And if you use the code Caesar at checkout, you can get 10% off at treatables.com. It's a really good product for your pets. So you just go all the way around where you see the original image on the layer up under. And before you know it, you'll have it done. Just smudge and swipe. I think we're going to speed this up to hurry along the video. And once you get done with this process, there's a few other little steps like the whiskers. They're sticking out real far. We're going to do them a little bit different. Now, as you can see, they're a different color. We're going to make another layer. We're going to put it on top. We're going to, if you hold the screen, you can color match. See how it popped up? And use the technical pencil. Try to just go right over it. See? Boom. And hit that blur and swipe to the right, and it'll blur it just a little bit. Hit the blur, swipe to the right just a little bit, like 1% is just enough for where it ain't a harsh line. I'm gonna merge it down on there. Create another layer, color match that. Color match this other one, it's a different color. Increase the size a little bit and swipe down. We're going to find all the little whiskers, and this is on the top layer above because we're going to hit that blur and do it on about 1 to 2% so it's not a crispy line. You see, it provides a guideline, the image up under, on where to do this. Hit that blur. All you gotta do is slide it, just 1%. And we're gonna turn it off just to see how it's looking. I'm gonna duplicate it and clip mask it on that image and hit liquidify and push, and then it's just going to look a little bit more textured this way, and it might work in some spots, it might not. We're probably going to go back over it with the airbrush and color match it. See, it went over too far because there's white in that area, for instance. Just merge that down, merge it down, create a new layer, clip mask it, color match the area, get your airbrush, your soft airbrush, and we're just gonna, double tap is undo, make it a kind of big airbrush. Just to get rid of those harsh lines between the top and the bottom dog, and to color match the hair up under, we're just gonna hit it with a light color. Of airbrush. Oh, make sure it's on the right layer. All the way around it. As you can see right there on the left ear, it's kind of too dark on the up under, but now that I hit it with that, it looks just right. See? There we go. That looks great. Let's turn off this colored background. Now you can really see how it looks. And that's it. If you guys like this type of content, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please drop them below. Thanks for watching.